Changing a car tire may seem daunting, but it's actually a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. In this video, we're going to show you how to change a car tire safely in 5 easy steps, ensuring that you're prepared the next time you find yourself with a flat. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when you realize you have a flat tire is to find a safe spot to pull over. Make sure you're away from traffic and on level ground, as this is crucial for your safety and for properly jacking up the car. Once you're in a safe spot, engage the parking brake to prevent the car from rolling. You'll need a few basic tools, a jack, a lug wrench, and your spare tire. These should all be in your car's trunk, typically under the floorboard. Before you jack up the car, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Don't take them off completely yet, just get them loosened, so they'll be easier to remove when the car is off the ground. It's important to do this before lifting the car, as it gives you more stability and control. Make sure to turn the lug nuts counterclockwise to loosen them. If they're stuck, you can use your body weight to carefully step on the lug wrench for extra leverage. Next, it's time to lift the car using the jack. Find the correct jacking point on your car. This is usually indicated in your car's manual and is located near the flat tire. Place the jack under this point and begin lifting the car until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Make sure the car is stable before you proceed, and never place any part of your body under the car while it's lifted. Now that the car is safely lifted, fully remove the loosened lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Grab your spare tire and line up the holes with the wheel bolts. Once the spare tire is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the bolts. Don't tighten them all the way yet, just enough to hold the tire in place. Carefully lower the car using the jack until the spare tire is back on the ground. Once the car is fully lowered, use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures that the tire is securely and evenly attached. Make sure the lug nuts are tight enough that the wheel won't wobble, but don't over tighten them, as this can damage the bolts. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you've changed your car tire and are ready to get back on the road. Remember to drive carefully, as spare tires are usually temporary fixes, and make sure to visit a professional to repair or replace your flat tire as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on car maintenance and safety. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.